we can have it like that. So we can adjust the curve as well. So just click on this one. Yes. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a long time since the last time I uploaded a video here, but for this video, it will be really a quick one, just a very short one. I just want to share with you guys how you're gonna change your ClassIn Skin or your ClassIn background. Before, all I thought I have to pay a premium for me to be able to change the ClassIn Skin or to change my ClassIn background. But I found out just recently that we can actually design our own background for our ClassIn and use it in our classes. This will be fun, guys, so watch out. Let's start. Alright guys, so we are now on my desktop. It's kind of messy, but don't mind it. So let's start by opening my Canva. Yes, I have to use my Canva to design something. So let's try to go to Canva. You just have to key in canva.com. Right, and then we can log in here. Okay, so I don't know what's happening, but it's really it's taking so long. Let me Okay, so my video was made smaller for you to see it clearer. Now I have logged in. I just have to create a design. And you know guys, when you create your own design, you have to customize the size, and that is actually what did I use last time? So I guess it's like 1280 by 720. So this must be okay. And then px here guys, you can see, and then create new design. That's it. So since our Canva is just for free access, we only have limited elements. When you say elements guys on Canva, these are the pictures or the kind of graphics designs that you want to include in your design. So let's try it. Let's try to make a unicorn ClassIn Skin. So let me just type a unicorn background here. Background. Okay, there you go. So all right, yeah, this is actually pro. I can't use that one. Yeah, this is also pro. As you can see, I have to pay if I'm gonna use this one. And once I use this and I try to download it later, there will be like a watermark that says Canva, so I can't use that one. So this one has no crown on it. That means that we can use this one for free. So let's just try to use this one as a background. So now to fully use this one as a background, I just have to right click. This is right click. Right click it and then set it as image as background. Okay, there you go. And now we want to have more designs about unicorn. So here we can get a unicorn, picture there, and then just put it here in this corner, right on this corner, at this corner, wherever you want. So it's up to you. And now you can say welcome to Teacher Mel's class. So let's try to do that. I'm gonna use this one. Welcome to Teacher Mel's class. Okay, there you go. And now you want to design this one, right? So you can also use this kind of thing, right? Wow, so that's it now. Okay, I'm not really good at design guys, so please bear with me. Okay, so I think we can have it like that. So we can adjust the curve as well. So just click on this one. Okay, there you go. So that is already. And if you want to, you can put this one in the center by just moving it this way until you see the line in the middle. Okay, so I think this will be perfect. You can do it a little bit down move it a little bit downward, because in this part there will be like your videos with your students. Okay, so welcome to teacher Mel's class, and then you want to change the font size, okay, the font style I should say. So you just go here, and then I would like to use, let's try, okay, I think this will be okay. See that one, guys? Okay, there you go. So you can make it bigger. When you move this one and make it bigger, you need to use the edges to move it, because if you move it on this, in this between thing, yeah, you're gonna be, oh, it doesn't allow you. So that's okay, only the edges, okay, the four corners. So that is it. So welcome to teacher Mel's class. Okay, and now let's add more unicorn. Okay, so we can have it like this one as well. You want to put this one backward, just send it backward to move it like this. This will be okay. Or if you want it to be like doing like this one, like it's jumping upward like that, so you can also do that way. That's it. Like I said, I'm not really good at design, so it's up to you how you're gonna design it by yourself. So what I'm only teaching you is how you can make it your own. So let me see if we can put a heart in the middle. Yeah. Wow, that's so cute. Yeah, for me it's cute. I don't know if it's cute enough for you guys. So there you go. So I'm good. So let's just say this is already the design that we made. So we're just going to download, right? So change it to JPEG, JPG, download that. So let's just wait and let's go to the downloads later. So there you go now, guys. I just have to open that one. Now you have to watch it out. Okay, so isn't it that the file extension is actually JPG? So you just have to rename this. Let's rename that one, rename. Okay, and then we can change it to welcome to teacher Mel's class, and then the JP, okay, G would be changed to EDT. Guys, it's EDT, okay? So that's EDT, and then okay, you have here the, okay, yeah, the prompt, okay, that says are you sure you want to change it? You just have to click on yes. That's it. And now here is this, it's on the download. So let's go to my ClassIn. Now I have to go to my Blackboard editor. As you can see here, it's totally black right now. So what I'm gonna do is upload first the ClassIn Skin that I've designed. Let's just have it here, local file. You go, okay, so here it is, welcome to teacher Mel's class.edt. So you only have to click on this one. Yeah, wait for it to upload, and there you go. Let's just find where it is. So it's still transforming. Anyway, we'll just have to wait for just a few seconds. This will be really quick. Now we have to click on it and then wait for that. Yay! Isn't it that amazing, guys? So you can move your video here. Actually, I did not turn on my video because I'm using it. So let's do so one. So you see that one? It's amazing. It's as easy as that. So what are you waiting for, guys? You can already design your own ClassIn Skin with Canva. It's totally free. You don't need to buy from other teachers, because I see some teachers selling their ClassIn Skin and with different designs. Okay, though it's actually great. Yeah, it's actually their choice, but for me, I want to share it with you how to do this so that you don't have to pay or spend a peso, a single penny on it. Just have to design it, have fun designing, and it will even it will even encourage you to be more creative. So that's it, guys. So thank you so much for your time. I hope you're gonna subscribe to my channel and look forward to more videos that I'm gonna upload. Yes. Alright, so there you have it, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. And if you haven't subscribed yet to my channel, please subscribe now so that you can catch up with more videos that I'm gonna upload in the future. For sure, every video I'm gonna make will be very helpful to you. So thank you and have a great day. Stay safe. Bye!